Did you know that there's 3 ways to mix color with watercolor? Hello and welcome to another episode of Effortless Landscapes with me, Antonio Cabrero, a landscape lover and watercolor enthusiast just like you. Today we're going to be exploring those 3 methods. The first and most common way of mixing color is here in the palette. So you grab one color, I'm grabbing ultramarine blue, and then I grab, for example, green. I grab this yellow to make green in my palette, and that's how I mix it, and then I can use it on the paper. Another way of how you can mix color in watercolor is you can mix on the paper. So letting the colors mingle in on the paper. So let's say I put the blue, and then I grab the yellow again, and instead of mixing it here, I put it on the blue. And as you can see, some parts will mix completely to the green, and some parts will stay blue, and some parts will also remain a little bit yellow. And that's another way that you can mix color. The last one, which is the less conventional one, or maybe you won't think about it as mixing, is layering. Now, I'm gonna have to wait for this to dry to show you. All right, now that this is dry, I can show you the third way, which is called layering. So I will put a color on top of the one that I already laid, which is completely dry. You can see the other color through this color. This is quinacridone rose, and this is ultramarine blue, but this is already a magenta. Violet, not magenta. And this is another way that you can mix color. Sometimes we don't think about mixing in the terms of layering, but that is a reality in watercolor because because of the transparency of the medium. So there you have it. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.